Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make an industrial room divider and bookshelf. Okay, first of all you have to make a basic shape of this object with a rectangle, and you can set any length of this room divider, and any width. I set the width around 300 millimeter. Then you can set the thickness. It's around, maybe you can set the value of the thickness is around 20 millimeter of the width. Then you can adjust the arrangement. You can move it for to the top position for the first. Then you can just click this object and press Control, and then you can um, adjust to any position as you want, any height as you want. Just click it and just type on your keyboard with 5/ and press enter. Then you can cut it, and then you can adjust the material with synthetic surface, and then you can assign all of material. Okay, and then you can make frame with a steel frame right here. You can give the color with the dark color in this area, and then you can make it component and just create it, and you can move it to the left side anyway. Then you can select this both of the iron, and then you can move it to the right side like something like this, and then you can press 4/ and press enter. So it a simple way to make room divider and bookshelf with an industrial concept. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will got all of you got a lot of benefit and advantage from this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.